Give it up for mentalist Oz Pearlman.
Oz Pearlman.
Oz Pearlman. Oz Pearlman.
Who are you thinking of at this very moment in time? Who are you going to talk to this week?
Vince.
Vince.
Yes.
Open your hand up.
No.
Oh my gosh! What just happened?
Oh my God!
He's amazing.
There's no way.
You're fantastic.
Get out!
I am literally speechless, and that never happened.
I'm gonna tell you something right now, Oz.
Yeah.
If there's something freaky in here, I'm getting the heck out of here.
There better be.
I'm out.
Mind blown again.
It was the Lakers.
Lakers, yeah.
No way. Come on.
What's their number? Who is it?
Brandon Ingram.
Yeah, take off. What are we thinking? Brandon Ingram.
This is crazy. Are you kidding me? I don't know what to do. Dude.
You can see her in your mind's eye at this moment. Who is she?
Oprah Winfrey.
Say hello to Miss Oprah.
Whoa.